excited that you're tuning in on Steph and Dani, our first vlog video. Woo! So before we start, we just want to give a little disclaimer. Steph and I are actually in the same social groups. That's why we are not wearing our face coverings currently. But if we ever do things outside, you will see us wearing those and keeping distance. But once again, we're in the same social group and you might learn a little bit of how we are later on. So we are just going to kick this off with some intros of who we are. So Steph, why don't you tell our fans a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. My name is Stephanie. I'm one of your interns this year. I'm super excited to be here with y'all. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm originally from Albany, Oregon, so not too far from Thurston. And I'm studying at the University of Oregon. I'm double majoring in Family and Human Services and Psychology, woo! And then I have a double minor in Spanish and Leadership and Administrative Skills. How about you, Dani?
Wow, that was a mouthful, but mine's a mouthful too for my majors and minors. Hi everyone, my name is Dani. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm from Los Gatos, California, so that's in the Bay Area. I am going to be a fourth year this year, which is kind of wild. Literally can't believe it's happening. And then I'm double majoring in Family and Human Services and Sociology with a double minor in International Studies and Global Health. So
yeah,
here we are, grinding it out, we're getting it done, it's gonna be great. So I guess next question, so y'all can get to know a little bit more about us, is what are some of our hobbies? What do we like to do? What do we do on the weekend? You know?
Man, everything. I can talk about that forever. I love being outside. My favorite things to do, camp, hike, ski, water ski, all of the skis, everything, all of the above. Some other hobbies of mine, I really like to read. Currently reading the Harry Potter books for the first time.
That's exciting.
Highly recommend.
Definitely more of a movie gal.
Well, I love movies too. Scary movies are my favorite. I always try to convince my friends to watch them. Usually doesn't work out, but love them. I like to work out. I like to take the CrossFit classes here at the U of O. It's super fun.
Nice. I can tell a little bit about myself. Well, I love to play soccer. I grew up playing soccer as young as I can remember. I couldn't even tell you. I love to cook. I love to eat food. Literally love all cuisines. Like, you tell me we're gonna eat something, I'm down to eat it. Let's do it. Can't wait. I love hanging out with my friends. I love exploring Oregon and just the world in general. I really love traveling. Can't wait till we can all travel again. That's gonna be such an exciting time for everyone. But yeah, just hanging out with friends. I love having dance parties.
Yes.
Dance parties by myself. Like, you know, maybe you'll get like a little teaser of Steph and I dancing.
Oh.
Stay tuned. Let's kick it off with our next question, which, what are we involved in? What are some other things that we do that keep us busy every day?
Definitely. So I have this internship. I'm super excited to kick off with all of you, doing these vlogs often. Also, here on campus, I work as a student ambassador, so if you ever tour the University of Oregon, maybe you'll see me. Dani does too, you might see her. What else do I do on campus? I'm involved in a nonprofit called Camp Kesem. It's a national organization that supports children through and beyond a parent's cancer. So really love being involved with that. It's something that I hold like really near and dear to my heart, so it's pretty exciting. Dani, how about you? I know you're involved in a lot here.
I am. Well, like Steph said, I am a student ambassador as well, so that is something I love to do. So hopefully when we're doing tours again, we'll see all of your beautiful faces out there, and you can give us a little shout out because you're watching the YouTube right now. Other things is I was an SOSer 2 summers ago, kind of crazy, but that is basically with student orientation programs as well, and it helps with the orientation transition into your first few weeks of college. And then this past summer, and I'm still involved with it as well, I was a student coordinator for that, which basically I just run all the operations. So my home on campus is definitely with student orientation programs, so I love working with all folks like you. Other things, I'm part of the club soccer team, so that's super fun. Get some exercise out there, keep my body moving. I'm also a part of sorority and fraternity life, so that's another part of campus that I'm involved in, as well as I'm an awesome intern for Thurston High School and Go Colts. I'm super excited to be working with all of y'all.
All right, well, I hope that shows you a little bit more about us and gets you excited about working with us in the future. We're gonna be making YouTube videos for you pretty often, talking about stress relievers for college students. We're gonna be doing a Q&A with all of you. Submit some questions to us and we'll answer them. What else were you thinking about, Danny?
We are also gonna maybe do a day in the life of a college student. We also will be doing that on our live stories as well, so tune in on those. But really, any just things I wish I would have known before entering my first year of college, or things I wish I would have known as a senior in high school. We actually already have a video like that on our YouTube, so go check it out. But if there are any other tips or things that y'all want to learn about, we are more than happy to talk to you about it too. Just drop some things in the comment and make sure you subscribe to us. But have a great rest of your day and go Colts!
Woo!
Bye!